You don't have bad hair genetics. You have bad hair discipline. Fix these habits for 30 days and your hair will look stronger, thicker, and healthier. No gimmicks, no fake promises. Everyone wants good hair. That clean, healthy, thick look that makes people notice the moment you walk in. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are destroying their hair every single day. You wash it wrong, you dry it wrong, you oil it wrong. And you fuel your body with food that weakens your hair from the inside out. Then you blame genetics. Today, that ends. No marketing lies, no influencer hype, just methods that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix your routine, and if you apply it consistently, your hair will change. Let's start with shampoo. Shampoo does one job, cleaning. It doesn't grow hair. It doesn't thicken hair. It doesn't repair anything. If your bottle says repairs or strengthens, that's branding, not biology. Shampoo cleans your scalp. That's it. Now, here's where things get interesting. Rice water. Rice water is loaded with starch. That starch coats your hair strands, reduces friction, and lowers breakage when you brush or style. And this Eisend Folklore 2022 study showed rice water contains carbohydrates that help repair damaged hair and strengthen the shaft. Add in amino acids and vitamins B and E, and you've got a legitimate performance upgrade for your hair. But discipline matters. Most people mess this up. Leaving rice water in overnight? Bad move. That's how you get dryness, flakes, and a pillow that smells like leftovers. Here's the correct method. Rinse a handful of rice. Soak it in water for 30 to 40 minutes. Strain it, then let that water sit overnight. In the shower, pour it over your hair, massage it in. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse it out and shampoo and condition like normal. Do this 2 to 3 times per week. If you stay consistent, the shine and strength will show. Next, conditioning. Most people shampoo and walk away. That's why their hair feels like straw. Shampoo strips oils. Conditioner restores moisture. Skip it, and your hair will always look rough. But understand this. Conditioner is for strands, not scalp. And stop falling for 2-in-1 shampoo conditioners. That's convenience marketing, not care. Use a separate conditioner. And if your hair is dry or curly, don't fear silicones. Influencers love screaming, avoid silicones, but science doesn't agree. Silicone forms a protective layer that locks in moisture, smooths hair, and reduces damage. It's not evil, it's a tool. Now, drying this is where most damage happens. That aggressive towel rubbing? That's controlled destruction. Instead, pat and press your hair dry. Even better, use a microfiber towel. Cheap, simple, effective. If you blow dry, listen closely. Cold or normal air only. Hot air fries your scalp, weakens roots, and accelerates breakage. Same rule as water, keep it cool. Oils come next. Oils aren't useless, but they're not magic. Coconut, argan, rosemary, these penetrate the hair shaft and protect protein. But dumping oil on your scalp every day is a fast track to dandruff and clogged pores. After showering, apply 2 to 3 drops to your strands only. Once a month, do a proper oil massage. Leave it for an hour, then wash it out. Controlled use beats overuse. If your hair is frizzy, curly, or extremely dry, this is a game changer. The LOC method. Leave-in conditioner first, oil second, cream last. That's moisture layering, simple, effective, no overpriced nonsense. Now the part most people avoid, nutrition. You can use every product on the shelf, but if your diet is trash, your hair will reflect it. Hair is made of keratin protein. If you don't eat enough protein, your hair will stay weak. Eggs, chicken, fish, beans, soy. Add healthy fats from nuts and seeds. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. Sleep. Manage stress. Stress kills hair faster than bad shampoo ever will. Food is the foundation. Products are support. Finally, the extra edge. Use a clarifying shampoo once a week to remove oil and product buildup. Sleep on silk or satin, less friction, less breakage, better hair and skin. Microneedling isn't scary, it stimulates blood flow and helps treatments work better when done properly. Stop overcomplicating hair care. Stop chasing miracle shampoos. Stop listening to people who sell comfort instead of results. Good hair comes from consistent habits, smart methods, and disciplined nutrition. Clean the scalp, condition the strands, dry gently, oil intelligently, eat like performance matters. Do this for 30 days, and your hair won't change overnight, but it will change for real. That's how we do it on Inspire Velocity. Discipline first. Results follow.